Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. My name's Ashley, and if you're new here, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy my channel, and if you do, I'd love for you to subscribe down below. Today I'm filming my favorite cleaning products, and a lot of you have been asking for these, so let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna start off by showing you what I use to clean my kitchen, and then I'll show you my bathroom and kind of my floors and so on, so you know what products I'm using and where I use them. I'm gonna start off with the Method Daily Granite, and this is my most favorite product for my granite countertops, and it makes my kitchen smell amazing. So I use this every day, probably twice a day. I also use the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. And this I use in my sink to clean it out, and then also on my stove top, even in my microwave. But I love this product as well. Now I love the Method all-purpose cleaners, and the scent, I honestly don't care. I have all different ones. I have the violet, this is pink grapefruit. You can't go wrong, they all smell amazing. And this is something that I use on everything. So if I'm wiping down my vanity or nightstands or chairs, it's the all-purpose. So this I use all over my house. Now to clean any of my windows or glass or mirrors, I found the best thing that works is this window cleaner, and it's vinegar based, and it's from the Dollar Tree. And my last one lasted me, I think, 5 months, so it lasts a really long time. It's $1. I feel like you can't go wrong with this, and it's my favorite thing. And then to clean any of the woods in my house, to polish them, so like my island, my front door, if I have wood furniture, my dining room table, I pick this up from the Dollar Tree as well. And I love it. I think it works great. It smells amazing. So those are all the products I use here in my kitchen. Now when you see me using these products, I always use these e-cloths, and I will link any of this down below in my description box if I can find it. I know these are on Amazon, and they're already in my Amazon store. So if you see any products you want to check out, click down below on my Amazon store link, and I keep that full of everything that I'm using. And if I have a coupon code for it, you can click. There's like a way that I leave a little message for you guys. Click on that, and I'll tell you where I use it, how I use it, why I use it, and if I have a coupon code. I've used these for years, and it's e-cloth, and each one tells you where to use it. Like this one says e-cloth. Let me see if I can get it to, and it's the, see if I can get it, kitchen one. It says kitchen cloth, and it even has this built-in scrubber that's, it won't scratch your countertops or anything, so if you need extra scrubbing. This one is for, this one's so soft. This one's the bathroom cloth. This one is the range and stove cloth. Stainless steel cloth. And then this one is pretty cool. It's already dirty. I don't know if you can tell. This one's the window cloth. So when I don't want to use like a harsh chemical or even this, I can literally wet. All these cloths are made to clean with water, which I think is awesome. And a lot of the times I just use water. Now sometimes when I am cleaning, most of the time when you guys see me cleaning in my videos, I am using the products, and that's mainly for the smell, because I want my house to smell clean when I'm done. But if I'm just cleaning, like I can use just water with these. And I suggest you guys go over there if you're interested and look at the site and read about it. But I can get this wet and wipe down a mirror or a window, and then this is the cloth that goes with it, and dry it off, and it makes any window, mirror, anything like that streak free. I use this rag with even my window cleaner. I could never live without these. I mean, I think all the cloths are amazing, but if you can't afford to buy the full set, get these like window cloths, and they will change your life on your mirrors and windows and all that. So this is everything I use in my kitchen. Now let's head over into my bathroom. Okay, now we're in my guest bathroom and I'm gonna show you the products that I use to clean. We have 3 bathrooms in our house and I use all these products in our bathrooms, and I highly suggest you going to the Dollar Tree and buying these, and they're so cheap. You can leave them underneath each sink in your bathroom so you're not hauling buckets and everything around. I may have to bring my rag with me, but these cleaning products are always in here, so if I need a quick tidy up, if a guest hurrying comes over and for whatever reason this bathroom's gotten dirty, I can run in here, shut the door, and have everything I need to clean it. So I use this Comet Classic Cleaner, and I picked this up from the Dollar Tree and I love it. I use this foaming super oxygen bathroom cleaner, and it's from the Dollar Tree, and they have some that spray white. This one sprays like, it says blue to white, and I didn't notice that the first time, and when I sprayed it, it gave me a heart attack, but that's okay, and it turns white when it's clean. I buy these disinfectant wipes from the Dollar Tree so that I can wipe down all the surfaces, and I will use these throughout my house if I need to disinfect like light switches, doorknobs, and all that. And then once again, I use the Dollar window cleaner with the rag to wipe down the mirror, and that's all I use in here. It stays underneath my cabinet in a bucket, so it's always here when I need it, and I find that keeps the bathroom clean because it's nice and accessible and easy. Now let's head on over into my living room and I'm going to show you how I clean my floors. Okay guys, now we're in my living room, and my floors are the hardest thing to keep clean. I love my wood floors and I wouldn't trade them for the world, but I am cleaning them constantly, like daily. I clean my floors. So before I got my new vacuum, I had the Shark, and I love the Shark Navigator. It worked wonderful on any of my carpets. It was a great vacuum. It did not work on my wood floors, and I had to sweep by hand. I know, boo-hoo. And it worked, it was fine. I would sweep and then vacuum and then mop. But as a Christmas present, my husband had bought me the Dyson V8 cordless animal. Once again, this is linked below in my Amazon store, and watch it, it goes on sale a lot. That's when we bought it. I don't have to sweep anymore. I can vacuum around my whole house, rugs, hardwood, carpet, one clean swoop, and I can vacuum my whole house on a max. I leave it on the max button back here, and I can vacuum the whole thing on one charge, and I love it. It's been a lifesaver. It's so much easier to clean my floors, so if you have the money and you're looking for a gift or something to splurge on, I think this is it, especially if you have wood floors. And then once they are vacuumed, I get a lot of questions, and I've sold a lot of mops, and this is it. It's the e-cloth mop, so it's just like my rags, that it only requires water. So you'll have to look into this. I think it was around 40 bucks, and I got this and 2 mop heads, and it was worth the small investment because now I don't have to use anything else to clean my floors other than water. So like once you buy it, you never have to buy a floor cleaner again unless you want to. I do have a Method wood floor cleaner, and I use it probably a couple times a year if I just need that smell real quickly if somebody's coming over. Otherwise, every time you see me clean, it is just with this, and this just peels off, and I get it wet, I mop the house, and then I peel it off, throw it in the washer, and it's that easy. My floor never streaks. It looks beautiful when it's done. This is adjustable. It goes super long, super short. It's got a nice grip here. I love my mop. I wouldn't trade it for the world. So if anybody's in the market, definitely go check it out. I've already had a lot of people that's bought it and they said they love it. So that's how I clean my floors. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take you into my laundry room. I think I've kind of showed you my products in there before during cleaning videos, but I'm gonna go ahead and take you in there and show you what I use to clean our laundry. Okay guys, now we're in my laundry room, and I have filmed a laundry routine video for you, and I'll link that up high if you want to check it out. I think some of these might be a little different, so you might want to still stay tuned if you've seen that, and I'll let you know what I'm using now or what I've tried out. Of course, I always have my homemade laundry cleaner, and I've made a video on that, so I'll link it, so if you guys want to check that out. And I've used this for years. My daughter has really sensitive skin, so we switched over to this, and it works great for her. Recently, I went ahead and tried out this Tide Simply Clean and Fresh, and I'm really liking it. Sometimes I'm in a lot busier with YouTube now that I don't always have time to make the laundry soap, so sometimes I'm just using this for me and my husband, and I keep this full for my daughter's clothes when I'm doing her laundry. I also love Shout. I think if you have kids or a husband, you need this for stain remover. My quick tip for you is I save my old Method bottles and empty them out and add it in here, and I just think it's prettier when you pull it out of the cabinet, or sometimes like I hang them on that basket up there, but I do always switch this bottle into this just to make it prettier. You obviously don't have to. This is my favorite laundry softener, Downy, and I get it with the blue lid, and I think it smells amazing. Clean and Breeze is the scent. These are the booster beads that I use for the scent, and I've used these for a while. You've seen these in my videos. Purifying Waters is the scent, and it smells amazing. I just think it smells great. I could live in this. Sometimes I put these in like my wax melters around my house just so it smells nice and fresh. And then the last thing that I use occasionally, I don't always use this, but you will see me during cleaning videos or laundry, this odor cleanse. And this isn't sponsored. They've sponsored me once before, but I think my link's still good. So if you want to try this out, definitely click down below. I'll have their link listed. So this is everything I use for my laundry room. I hope you guys liked this type of video. I know you guys wanted to see what cleaning products I use and why I use them. These are all my favorite. I've bought them for years. I love them. I'll continue to buy them. I shop at like Target and Walmart and Ross. I know a lot of you guys do the Grove thing. I just never got into that, and it's just never been my thing. I don't know if we just didn't have enough money at the time to sign up for subscriptions, that I'm always just weird about them, and Grove actually reached out to me, and I wanted to let you guys know it's not something that I've ever done or felt passionate about, so I turned them down. And I just want you guys to know that I'm trying to be as real and honest with all of you. This is what I actually use. I actually go to the store and pick it out, or I do my Walmart app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. If you guys have any videos you want me to make, leave it down in the comments box down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!